start today's market review for May 1st, 2025. So this was yesterday's candle. Kinda this was has a long wick, retested or closed this daily fair value gap, and so today's what we was expecting market to trade higher, to go up. Okay, and this was a 1 day candlestick. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, in hourly we marked up this BC 1 hour BC, that was yesterday 30th April, and this is today's price action. And let's go to 15 minutes actually. Okay, this was yesterday's BC 1 hour BC, and this is today's price action from here to here. Okay, and if we go in 15 minutes, we can mark out London lows and then London highs, or kind of this is pre-market highs, actually 8 a.m. highs. Okay, and there was a high impact news today 8:30 a.m. and then at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. is the ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay, so okay, let's go in 1 minute chart. Okay, so now we are in 1 minute chart for today's price action. If you see in pre-market, this was London low, which was created after clearing this Asia low liquidity. Market ran higher. This was in a macro time, so this could be a trade for people who wants to trade in London session. Okay, and this is like 8:30 a.m. open time. So this was a new news high, low. This one is again news. Okay, and so from today's price action, what we can mark out, we can mark out this high, this low. Okay, also if there is any fair value gap that is here, it is very small, but yeah, this is kind of noticeable. So let's put a line where our market opened today. So market opened 9:30 a.m. here. Okay, and what we wanted market to do, either it wants to go up then trade lower by clearing this liquidity. But as I said earlier, like in 1 day time frame, we can see market is kind of bullish. So what we can expect, we can expect market to go lower and then trade higher up. Okay, so what market did is, after 9:30 market took out these London lows and then traded a bit higher. Then market cleared out this liquidity over here and this data liquidity over here, slams lower. So what market did is, market found next support at previous day high level. Okay, so this level is really important, always mark out that in your chart. Okay, after that kind of 9:57, and then from 10 to 11 is our silver bullet session, right? So then market uh, changes its structure here, CIST. Okay, market went bullish here. So what I wanted to do, market to retest this bullish fair value gap and then go higher, but market did not do that and went up here directly. Okay, so another idea I had is like these are kind of equal highs to me, these were kind of equal highs to me. So I thought market might wanna clear this liquidity out and go lower. I marked out this little bullish fair value gap, which became inversion after it closed the candle here. But no, market had plans to go higher, even higher, maybe take out this London liquidity or even higher. Okay, so I closed this trade break even, cause I didn't thought that this is a very good setup. This is 15-minute marked BC, okay, which come in play later, probably at the lunch. So this gap remained open, and this is the liquidity market had already took, okay. So market ran up higher up until here 1119, and then market created this 2022 model kind of, we can say, and then slammed lower prices. So what we do is we do not trade in lunch hour, generally from 11:30 to 1, okay. So this is our next 90-minute cycle according to GAC. This is this cycle highs, we can say, this one is lows. So my next idea would be market, what market wants to do is market wanna run these highs or lows, and then let's see where it wanted to trade, okay. Also, if we go in 15-minute, we always go in 15-minute, okay, to mark out bullish fair value gaps. Here is the bullish fair value gap, and here is the bearish fair value gap, okay. So what market did is in the lunch, so after taking support from this bullish fair value gap, it was in lunchtime, so no trades here. Basically, that's a rule that is set by ICT. Okay, so market repriced higher again, and then traded in this uh, bearish fair value gap or CB. Okay, so then our next bullet session starts at 2, and 2 is kinda right here, okay. So from here to 3 p.m. is our silver bullet session. Market did took out liquidity here, also traded in CB, and slammed lower prices, but I don't think so we had a great uh, opportunity to take trade here. Maybe you can frame trade here like this, but it was not a proper framework for me. Yep, so this is the review for today. That is all, I guess. Yep, so this was the actually the a plus setup. If market would have retested here, I would have taken this trade, okay. And interesting enough to know, if we go in ES chart 1 hour, okay. So what I have marked here is 1 hour liquidity, 1 hour fair value gap, okay. And if you see, market did repriced it completely, okay. So yep, market did reprice it completely over here. Isn't that is an awesome precision? Market repriced it here and then ran lower. Yep, so this is it for today. And here as well, market took support from previous day low. These ones are relative equal highs or lows actually. So market did same here. After 9:30 traded here, went up, created a SMT here, bearish SMT, slammed prices lower, took support from previous day high, same as NQ, and this is again become a runaway bullish fair value gap or VC, and then reprice to this 1 hour CB, and then slam lower, okay. So let's see what happens in the morning. And if we see right now what market is doing, market has took support in Wednesday's 1 hour BC, okay, and now it is going higher. There is this CB, let's mark out that, and let's see what market offers in the morning, okay. So this was it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow with the next review. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you're liking my reviews. Thank you so much. Bye bye.